I'm going to show you how to make some French toast. And what you'll need is some milk, some bread, some eggs, some cinnamon, and some white sugar. And then you also need a pie plate, and then a whisk, and then a measuring spoon. Okay, so the first step that we do is we need to take the bread and then cut them up into slices. When the bread is all cut up, it should look something like that. Alright, and then for the mixture part, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, alright, and then we're going to put that into the pie plate. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, and we're going to add that. Then we're going to add 12 tablespoons of milk. Okay, then we're going to add 6 eggs. And then the trick to getting the eggs cracked open is to have it on the side like that and have a little crack in it like that. And then split it open like that, put it in like that. And once again. And there should be that little crack. And that in there. And once again. And then after the eggs and all that are in the pie plate, we're going to take a whisk and then whisk it together. And with this, you want the ingredients to be mixed up as good as you can get it. And when the stuff is all mixed together, it should look something like that. In the oven, the temperature of the oven needs to be at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. First step that we need to do is we need to spray the pan with vegetable oil. Well, actually cooking spray, I should say. And we're going to spray the pan so that way it doesn't stick. Okay. And then, wait, I don't even know the recipe. Okay, and then you take this bread and you put it into the batter like that. Drain the excess, and then you put that into the pan. And I'm going to show that again. And then I'm going to put that in there. And then we're going to do that for all of them. And then if you have any of the stuff left over, you can just pour it over the French toast like this. And there. And then you bake it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. And after the French toast is done baking in the oven, it should look something like that.